Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add extra baggage in a Delta Airlines. Now to buy extra baggage when you're flying with Delta Airlines, what you first need to do is come to delta.com, and you need to of course purchase additional checked bags during the booking process, or you can do this later as well. So to do this later, you need to come to the My Trip section here, as you can see on Delta's website, or you can even use the Fly Delta app. And you can also, add in pay for checked bags when you check in online, at a kiosk, or even at the airport. And these are the regulations or rules that apply for these. So you can check these out on their website, see how much you'll be overweight, and then you can just pay for the extra. Otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.